Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are comfortable. Close your eyes. Rest your hands in any way that feels comfortable for you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Continue this breathing a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. Today we will go back in our memories to some of our favorite happy places. Try to remember these memories in full detail, like you are reliving the memory, or like they are a movie being replayed for you in your mind. Think of one of your happy places. Imagine a place that you absolutely love. What are you doing in this place? Who are you with? Think of another happy place now, somewhere different than the first. What is this other new place? How do you feel here? What do you see? What are you doing? Who are you with? Now think of a happy place with really delicious food. What is a place that you remember eating something yummy? Where is this place? Who was there with you? What is a happy place that you remember laughing really, really hard? Maybe you even laughed yourself to tears. Imagine this place and all the people that are there with you. What is a happy place that felt super cool to you? Maybe this place was cool to visit, or maybe it just made you feel cool. What is this awesome place? What is a happy place that you enjoyed with your family? Picture a time and a place that you shared with family and you felt so happy and things seemed fun and playful. Take a moment now to imagine any other happy places that you love, places that make you happy, with the people that make you happiest. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you're ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find all that's good in your day.